Hi, I'm Karina, and today we will unbox together a wonderful Christmas blockbuster set from Shiseido. And afterwards we will see which kind of makeup we can get using these cosmetics. If you're interested, stay with me. This is the box itself. It also says what we are going to get inside. There should be skincare as well as the cosmetics. The box was quite heavy in the beginning, so it is approximately 1.5 kilo. I get in this wonderful box. Of course, it's not leather, but it's very soft to touch, and afterwards you can use it for storage of any other products. The value of this box is approximately 380 euros. The products from Shiseido are quite pricey. Therefore, I'm happy to get this set and try them. When we unbox it, what we are getting? Wow! I'd say this is a wonderful present. Just look at this box. When I was ordering it, I was very suspicious that almost all the products should have the original size. And as we can see, this is the truth. 7 out of 9 products are in the original size. Only a few creams with the sample sizes. I would like to start with the skincare products. And the first one, I believe the most expensive one, is the Shiseido Power Infusing Concentrate. The price on the website is around 120 euros. Wow, it's quite a big bottle, so 50 milliliters, wonderful packaging, made of glass and looks amazing. Afterwards, from the skincare products, we also have the eye and lip makeup remover. So this is helpful in any makeup routine. It should be also a full-size bottle. And as I said, we have 2 creams, 50 milliliters each, day cream and night cream. So this is approximately 1/3 of the original size. Let's continue with the cosmetics. The first one is mascara. Everything, of course, in black and red. Wow. This has to be like that. Then what we can see, we also have the eyeliner. I have to say that I'm not a fan of eyeliner because it's quite difficult to apply them. Interesting. This has very interesting form. Just look at that. Maybe it will help to draw the lines in the way they should be. Then, the eyeshadow palette. Wow! I have to say that design of the packaging is wonderful and high quality. It's quite thin and pleasant to keep in hands. There should be the nude colors, so like that. It's coming from the beige, brown and the gray colors. Oh, with the magnets. What else do we have? We also have the blush. Same style. And it has the pinkish color. Last but not least is the red lipstick. This is what we are getting from the skincare products. And if we are speaking about the cosmetics, these are the 5 products. I'm looking forward to try all of them and especially to see how the makeup looks when we use these products. Well, I'm back to you. I used these cosmetics for the first time and got this makeup. Now I can say a few words how I like to apply these products and my first impression. The first product that I used was the eyeliner. As I said in the beginning, maybe this form will help me to draw the lines, but unfortunately it didn't, so it was still quite difficult. I did what I could do, but it's not very easy. The next product I used was the eyeshadow palette, and I really liked it. It was quite easy to mix the colors and afterwards to get the result I wanted. Mascara. I liked it. Maybe it's not the best mascara in my life, but one of the best ones. It is also quite easy to apply and the lashes do not stick to each other and you have a great look afterwards. Then we had with you Iniglow Cheek Powder, and it is really just to do some highlights on your face, which is nice, maybe especially in summer. Last but not least is the red lipstick. Normally you have to be careful with red lipstick how you apply it. Yes, it was a little bit difficult, but completely fine, and afterwards you have a nice soft feeling on your lips. To sum it up, I can say that with these cosmetics you can definitely create an interesting look for any evening. Anyway, I'm quite happy that I bought this set. The price right now is a little bit higher than before. It is 150 euros on the official website of Shiseido, but you can also subscribe to their newsletter and get additional discount. It might be approximately 100 euros. So I have to say that definitely it's a good value for money, taking into consideration the original price of the products. If you like this final look, you can definitely buy this box. And of course, if you are a Shiseido fan, you have to be already on the website. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you already tried one of these products, I would be happy to see your comments. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel and support me with your like. See you in my next videos. Ciao!